Today we are going to talk about the Trendhim Winslow Thea black folding sunglasses. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. My name is Chris. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we cover a whole bunch of topics trying to elevate you to that well-rounded status. Today is no different. Like I said, we're going to be going over the Trendhim Thea folding black sunglasses. If you guys remember my last video, I talked about the watch. You can see that here. I told you that the weather hadn't been right, and I finally got some footage shot, so I want you guys to be able to see this. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am out in the wild with my new Trendhim shades. They are very cool. It's not the brightest of days, and the wind is not really respecting my hair all that much. It's actually disrespecting the shit out of my hair, to be honest. But I just want to let you guys know, these shades are a very cool option, very viable. They are polarized. If you don't know what that means, polarized shades just kind of let you see a little bit more clearly. So it's kind of like in high def, and it is very cool. Like everything is just a little bit sharper. So if you do not have a pair of shades, I highly recommend you get this pair of Trendhim shades, and I'm going to show you some cool things that you can do with them. So one of the really cool things that you can do with the shades is you can fold them up just like this, and I'm going to show you how. So I just want to show you guys how to fold these up. It's very simple. Guys, ready? Watch. Boom, boom, boom. You're done. And it'll go easily in the little soft pouch that they include. It's very easy. Just slide it over. Now, this doesn't leave much protection. I mean, they could get crushed, but that's what the case is for. So a couple things about Trendhim is that they are a company that's based out of Denmark, but don't let that deter you. They ship very, very fast. I mean, faster than I get some Amazon packages. I think I said that in the last video I did for them. But just a quick reminder, these shades are polarized. That means that everything is just a bit more clearer. It's just sharper. You really need polarized shades if it's like a really bright day. So they do retail for $65, but they ship for free, which is awesome, especially coming from another country. Denmark, I mean, we all know shipping has gotten crazy, but if you place an order, you will get these shades shipped to you for free. But they're ultra durable. It's a TR90 frame with tack lenses. I gotta read it because you guys know I'll never remember this stuff, but very lightweight, very cool, very fashionable. You can't go wrong with these guys, trust me. So you guys can't go wrong with these shades. I really recommend you pick them up. They're stylish, they're polarized, they're fashionable. It's just a great pair of shades, and the quality, you can tell when you hold them. Like, it's not like a cheap pair of shades. These are high quality, well put together shades. So they will be linked down in the description. Please be sure to go check out Trendhim. They have a whole bunch of accessories, guys. They have beard products, they have watches, they have boxers, which I didn't even realize they had before. They have leather bags. They have a whole bunch of stuff. I think they have some pocket squares, some ties, bow ties. Really a one-stop shop for accessories, because accessories make the outfit. You know, you can have a guy wearing a t-shirt and jeans, and another guy wearing t-shirt, jeans, a watch, a necklace, and a ring, which Trendhim also has, and a watch, and the other guy is going to look better because accessories really pull together a basic outfit. So don't be afraid to accessorize, guys. That is the well-rounded tip of the day. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Another shout out to Trendhim. Thank you for sending me the watch and the shades. I really do enjoy it. Guys, they are awesome items. Please be sure to comment down below. You might get a surprise. Hint, hint. Just great items. And in the description, there'll be a link to both this watch and the shades. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will see you next week. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm, because we're growing, guys, and I need you there with me. Also, check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude 15 gets you 15% off your total purchase, and I will see you next week. All right, guys? Peace.